Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and I'm excited to show you some new gel polish today. I've seen this all over Facebook and they contacted me and asked me if I would check them out. I'm like, sure. So they are vegan, 9-free, cruelty-free, and made in Los Angeles, so US polish. And before you ask, here's why my fingernails are blue and pink and purple. I think it was worth a few purple stained nails. So cute. Today I got a new gel polish. So Nail Addict. I know you guys have seen this blasted all over Facebook, and they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try some out. I'm like, yeah, I've been seeing you all over the place, and so I went and picked out a couple things, and I picked Tanning Session. Ooh, bright and summery. And Paradise Fiesta, because yellows are hard. So I kind of wanted to try that yellow out. And I could not resist this one. Kiss Me Now. Ooh, it's so pretty. All right, and then I got a no wipe top coat, and I got, ta-da, peel off base coat, the peel off. I've never had one that you have to cure before. So let me state up front, this is a gel polish company, and they were kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys. So know that I think some of theirs is like, the first time you buy it, you can get 50% off. So absolutely, like always, like I always tell you in all my videos, regardless if I have a discount code or not, if you follow my link, it will show that you followed my link and will help me. But if there is a different discount code or they're offering 50% off, absolutely chuck that discount code of mine and use whatever's going to save you the most money. I don't earn anything from this. Just showing you something new and fun. I do have a Build-A-Gel overlay on my nails right now. I'm going to spray them with alcohol first and wipe them with a lint-free cloth, because sometimes I notice peel-offs, if you aren't real careful about making sure they're cleaned off really well and your nails are dehydrated, they pull and, like, you know what I'm talking about. They like repel off your nail. So let's check this out. I'm going to put this on and cure it for 30 seconds. All right, I'm not seeing any pooling or pulling away any spots, you know, that are like naked, that will end up grabbing polish and sticking it to me. All right, I cured that for 30 seconds. It doesn't feel sticky or tacky or anything. Now I'm not gonna paint my nails on camera because it's super awkward and I look really funny, so I'm not gonna do it. All right, first let's check out Paradise Fiesta. And I'm gonna put 2 coats on clear pop sticks so we can see the opacity of them. I really think that this is more like a jelly. I'm not sure. We'll see how it builds up in 2 coats. And then I will do a design and, I don't know, show you something other than just me swatching polishes. Yep, it is like a jelly. Very, very pretty. So I'm gonna have to maybe come up with an idea for that. All right, so next up we have Tanning Session. And it is a gorgeous summer coral color. Kind of like almost highlighter. Oh, that's so pretty. Smooth, creamy, applied nice. They both did. Okay, like that formula. All right, sorry, snark police. I don't think there's going to be any snark over these. Kiss me now. Ooh. All right, glitters sometimes will apply a little gritty, and this one is nice. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. All right, let's hop on back to this one and put another coat. But it is a jelly. Two coats actually is not too bad. It's still a jelly, but I can work with that. All right, so tanning session, I mean, that is pretty dang opaque in one coat. Oh, that's so pretty. I may have to put that on my toes. And that one is, I mean, it's pretty good, but I can still see through it. So let's try two coats. Oh, that's so pretty. I mean, it's mostly silver, but it's got some hollow in it. It's gorgeous. And no wipe top coat. I mean, there's not a lot to see here. It's top coat, it's no wipe. I don't think I found a no wipe top coat I don't really like. I have, because a couple of them that I have don't do great over stamping. They do that whole pooly thing where you got like spots. Separation. Is that the word I'm looking for? All right, there's all three top coat. So I went ahead and painted my nails this far. I'm gonna leave the last one so we can do a little artwork. But I kind of decided I wanted just a little bit to tie it in together. I wanted a little bit of the sparkle on this coral, the Kiss Me Now, on top of this tanning session. Can't talk. So I just put a little drop on a mat, and I have a little bit of top coat, no wipe top coat, and I'm going to mix that up. You can do this with regular polish. If you have one that's really glittery, you just want to add a little bit of the glitter in with some top coat and apply it that way. Or you can use loose dry glitter and mix it. You can mix any colors you want on a palette together. It works especially well with gel because, you know, it doesn't dry until you cure it, so you don't have to worry about hurrying up. And you can make it as light or as heavy as you want. I just wanted a little bit of sparkle. All right, I went ahead and I put one stamp. I wanted to use these little suns that are on this plate, and I didn't like it, so I went ahead and put a coat of the yellow over that sun. I don't think we'll be able to see it through when we get done here. And I really like the flower better, so I put, you know, stamped a flower in white and then go over it with yellow. And you know how Pond Mani is. It just gives it more dimension. It looks like there's, you know, different layers of polish on top of. But I got through And then I just still was like, I don't know. It's okay, but it still wasn't, I don't know. It wasn't special. I needed special. So I then took a little bit of the Kiss Me Now and the tanning session and just made dots inside the flowers, which I thought was much cuter. I really liked that. It tied it in a little bit better, but then I still was not quite there. So I just went ahead and put some more white over the top, and I love that. I think that turned out adorable. All right, now let's try the peel off. One popped off my thumb, and then I wasn't filming when I did the second one, but I put the Luxe Essential Cuticle Oil. I'll put the link below. L3 Waxy Wonder sells that, and I really am liking it. All right, so just a cuticle pusher, an orange wood stick, whatever you want to use. And I did go all the way to the sidewalls on this because I wanted to be able to peel it off when I wanted to. And like I said, this has been almost 3 days, and I have to take it off at this point. I don't have any choice. I think it would have lasted probably 4 or 5 days, maybe even longer. As you can see, I am peeling it off, and not forcibly, but deliberately. This one was a little harder because it was so thick. Anyway, this performed the way a peel off I feel should perform. It should stay on for a few days. I mean, I really don't think that they're made, any of them, to stay on more than 2 or 3 days. But that's just me. That's what I use peel offs for, so that I can get it off and go on to the next polish that I need to swatch. Or, you know, yeah, I get bored with everything really quick. Not everything. Not polish. Got new stuff. Gotta try it. Want to try it. All these formulas were very nice. The formula on each of these polishes were nice. Exactly what I thought. They were smooth. They didn't stink. It is a little more toward the high-end polish, so I am very happy with these. Thanks, you guys.